Hi, I'm Jim. If you've been to this channel before, you probably know I've lots of sash window videos on this channel. I think it's about 150. I want to ask you something and I need your help. I'm thinking of building an online sash window course or courses, and I want to know whether it would be of help to you. What I'm talking about is something more organised than just random videos. Not fancy courses, no glossy nonsense, no gimmicks, a practical place where you can learn how sash windows really work, how they go back together again after you've taken them apart, and how to repair them properly. If you're watching this, maybe you've got sash windows at home, maybe they're stuck, the cords are broken, the windows are drafty. Maybe you're a carpenter, maybe you're a decorator, maybe you're a handyman, and you keep coming across sash windows but don't know how they really work or how to fix them properly. That's the person I'm speaking to. Hopefully you. You're someone who wants to understand sash windows without being blinded by theory, science, or buried in jargon. A sash window is not just a window, it's a complete system. The sashes, weights, cords, pulleys and staff beads, the parting beads, all work together. The whole thing starts to make much more sense once you've got a proper understanding of it. So what I'm doing is putting together courses so that you've got a track to run on, step by step, in the right order, so you're not just watching odd videos here and there and you're trying to piece it all together. What I want to do is take everything back to basics. How to replace sash cords, how to spot rot, how to draft proof properly, and many, many other things. And how to avoid common mistakes. I'm not promising to turn anyone into an expert, but what I want to do is make sure that you know what happens in the order that it should happen. In plain English, with real examples, working on real repairs, solving the sort of problems you actually find on the job. So here's what I'd like from you. Tell me, are you a homeowner? Do you repair windows already? Are you in the trade? Let me know who you are and tell me what you would like most help with first. Sash cords, stuck windows, draft proofing, rotten sills, removing sashes, the tools you'll need, knowing where to start, a proper place to start, a proper order to learn in. So if this sounds useful to you, subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below, please. Your comments will help me decide whether to build this and what to put in first. I'm Jim. I'm thinking of building an online sash window course for people like you.